Hello, in today's video, I'll show you how to attach your GoPro Mission 1 to a helmet. For that, you'll need 3 parts that are included in the box. First, take this one and remove the red tape, then put it onto a helmet. Before you do it, make sure to get rid of any oil, debris and dirt from your helmet, which I recommend doing by using isopropyl alcohol. That is the best solution to getting rid of the debris. Then once it dries out, you can remove the red tape, stick it on, and then you can attach this part, which is easily removable and attachable. First, open this like floppy part, and then you should be able to slide it in onto this part with the tape. Now, when it's sitting there nicely, you can close it, and now you can open these 2 floppy parts on the bottom of your camera, then put it on like that or like that. Now you'll need to put a screw through this hole. Screw it on. And the harder you screw on, the more stable it'll be. So for a helmet, if you're, for example, riding a bike or motorcycle, I recommend screwing it on actually pretty nicely. And that is it. Now to remove it, you can unscrew it and, well, screw it on pretty hard. Then remove the camera. And now what is important is you need to be careful with this part. When you open this rubbery part, make sure not to squeeze and then push. I did it and I hurt my finger. So what I recommend is actually squeezing and using the other hand to pull on this part. That way you've removed it safely. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.